Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. So, thank you. I'm up to 1,000 subscribers. The channel has now been monetized. Which means, when I take a tool home, my wife sees it, asks me why I need it, I just tell her I'm working. You know? That'll work, right? That should, that's a thing, isn't it? Hey, I'm working. I'm in the garage making a video. I'm working. Yeah, but, you know, there we go. Thank you again, and maybe I'll hire Greg on his full time. Nah, I think I'll just keep on paying him in peanuts. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and all that jazz.